Good morning to everyone. Today in this video, we'll see if a WordPress website is showing the following error. Error establishing a database connection. Actually, in two cases, you can face this issue. So once you successfully uploaded all the WordPress files and made the changes on the WP config file on the WordPress, if there are errors like see here, I have kept that DB name, database user and the password correct, but see here there is a space here. Even the space are considered as the character, so you need to exactly copy paste the DB name, DB user and the password. Now I corrected that, and when I refresh this page, this error automatically goes off. And the second case is also very important. I will tell you that one. Okay, the site has been loaded. Okay, first of all, if you don't set up the database connection also, in that case also you will get this error. First of all, I'm going to the hosting provider, which is my GoDaddy, and I clicked on products and then clicked on this hosting. See here, hosting, and this is the domain which I got the database connection error. So what you need to do is you need to click on the cPanel admin and log into the cPanel admin first for that particular domain. So yeah, in the next tab, it has opened this cPanel admin where I'll log into this file manager. So click on the file manager here.
See here, the WordPress will be installed in public underscore HTML. So all the folders and files will be just like this on your website also. So here you need to find wp-config.php or wp-config sample.php. For example, if this is your first time installing WordPress, you may not change the sample.php. If you don't change this, you need to right click on this and you need to rename, and you need to delete the sample and just save it as .php. Okay, I just saved that and this is that file. So on this, you need to select this one, wp-config.php, and you need to click on edit and then click on edit. Okay, then you will be able to get to this point where you can enter db name, db username. For example, if you don't set up a connection at, what you will see is db name here means you need to enter the db name. First of all, to enter the db name, you need to have a database. So what I'll tell you is, I tell you how you can create a database first. So for that, again go to your hosting and then file manager. Okay, cPanel admin, and here you need to first create a database if you already don't have a database. So few users, maybe for the first time they're doing this WordPress installation, for them it will be useful. On the databases, you can choose any database. I am choosing MySQL database. Tap on that. So here you will be able to create a new database user and a database connection and can generate the password. So first of all, your DB, okay, your database name, your DB, okay, create a database. Anything, the name can be anything, and this name should be replaced there. Okay, go back. Your DB is created. Okay, just write on a notepad like database name is your DB. Okay, next database username. Okay, database user, this is DB name, this is DB name. Okay, now I am creating database user. Okay, here database user, your username. Okay, your DB user. And password, you can use the password generator and click on create user, or you can manually enter whatever the password you like and repeat the password and click on create user. Okay, I'll do that and I'll proceed. Yeah, see here, I entered the password and then I'll click on create. Now I need to set the privileges for this user, means I need to connect this user and the database. So for to do that, scroll down to the bottom and see here, add user to the database. So the database, first I need to select your DB. The database user is your DB user. So I need to connect these both. So I'll just click on add. So this user is added to that particular databases, and I'm just giving all the privileges, and I'll click on this make save changes. Okay, and see here, yeah, good. So I'll just go back. See here, I'll just copy this and I'll paste it here under my DB name. I'll just paste it here, Control V, and again I'll go back to there and I'll copy this one, your DB user. This I'll copy. Make sure you don't have any spaces. Okay, there shouldn't be any spaces. Okay, just under DB user you need to give, then next followed by the password. Okay, now the password what you have created for the database, here you need to enter the password and click on the save changes. And now once you click on the save changes and check by refreshing your page on the WordPress, then the database connection to the website will be okay. Then you'll get rid of that error. That error will be solved. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.